Analog Devices ADHV4702-1 is a high-voltage, unity-gain stable precision operational amplifier that is designed for a wide range of applications, such as high-side current sensing or voltage monitoring in automated test equipment or precision test and measurement instruments, high-voltage waveform generation in scientific instruments, as well as sensor bias and control for high-performance sensors, such as avalanche photodiodes, silicon photomultipliers, ion lenses, and piezoelectric transducers. The ADHV4702-1 is built on a next-generation high-voltage BCD-MOS process. It can operate from a ±12 to ±110-volt dual power supply, or a single supply up to 220 volts, and offers a ±107-volt input common mode voltage range, as well as near rail-to-rail output, with 10 MHz of small signal bandwidth and a 74 volt per microsecond slew rate. The device is housed in a 12-lead 7x7mm LFCSP that meets IEC 61010-1 creepage and clearance requirements, with an electrically isolated exposed copper pad that simplifies thermal management and improves system safety by allowing thermal connections to chassis ground regardless of supply connections. An innovative input architecture enables high voltage operation while maintaining very high precision with high input impedance, low bias current drift, low offset voltage and drift, and low noise. The amplifier's 170 dB open loop gain and 160 dB CMRR enable excellent system accuracy in high gain applications. The amplifier also provides designers features that allow for optimization to the application. Supply current can be adjusted to optimize performance and power dissipation, and a shutdown pin is available to save power when the amplifier isn't in use. The integrated temperature sensor and thermal shutdown capability improves system robustness over wide operating temperature ranges. And to learn more about Analog Devices ADHV4702-1 220-volt precision amplifiers and the associated evaluation board, visit Mouser.com.